In this clip, I will show how to buy shares of Dollar General Corporation, a U.S. discount retail chain listed on NASDAQ under the ticker DGUS. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. We use eToro as a neutral example to demonstrate the steps. After you register, you must verify your account, usually by uploading a government ID, and add funds to be able to place an order. Use the platform search field and type the ticker DGUS to find the listing. Select the result that matches Dollar General Corporation on NASDAQ to ensure you pick the correct stock. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a live price chart for context. Double-check the company name, exchange, and ticker to confirm it is the correct asset before proceeding. To invest, click Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at the next market session. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your open position will appear in your portfolio after the order fills. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to follow the same example.